Welcome to Shining Toddlers. App sound words. A, P, app. App sound words. K, app, cap. Now let's make a sentence with cap. My cap is green. T, app, tap. Now let's make a sentence with tap. Turn off the tap. M, app, map. Now let's make a sentence with map. We had a map to show us where we live. L, app, lap. Now let's make a sentence with lap. She sat on her mother's lap. No, app, nap. Now let's make a sentence with nap. I took a nap on the bed. R, app, rap. Now let's make a sentence with rap. He was listening to rap music. Go, app, gap. Now let's make a sentence with gap. A man jumped through the gap. So, app, sap. Now let's make a sentence with sap. Tree sap oozed from the wound of the tree trunk. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.